Welcome to our channel Competition Grid. Here we are going to discuss current affairs daily. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get further notifications. Now I am going to discuss April 29 current affairs. Here is the first question. The Union Labour Ministry has declared which among the following as Public Unity Service PUS for 6 months till October 21st, 2020 under the provisions of the Industrial Disputes Act 1947. It is banking industry. It means the employees and officers of the banking sector are barred to do any strikes in the given period. This decision has been taken due to the adverse impact of COVID-19 on the economic activities. If you talk about Ministries of Labor and Employment, Minister of State is Santosh Kumar Gangwar. He is of independent charge, and secretary is Hiralal Samaria. Okay, next question. Name the ministry which has launched My Book, My Friend campaign on the World Book Day. It is Ministry of Human Resource and Development, HRD Minister. Our HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank launched My Book, My Friends campaign in his social media along with a video message saying that when you open a book, you open a new world. And he said that books are very best friends of a person which inspires and provides a way of thinking and guide in difficult times. Okay, next question. Name the Indian state which has launched Jeevan Shakti Yojana to enable women in urban areas to earn by making masks at home. The state is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh government launched this Jeevan Shakti Yojana to enable women in urban areas to earn by making masks at home, where the government will pay them rupees 11 per each mask. Madhya Pradesh CM Sivaraj Singh Chauhan has launched this Jeevan Shakti Yojana to enable women in rural areas by making masks at home, and the government will pay them rupees 11. Okay, next question. Find the organization which has reported that the developing countries' repayments on their public external debt will increase between $2.6 trillion and $3.4 trillion in 2020 and 21. That is United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, UNCTAD. Its headquarters located in Geneva, Switzerland, and Secretary General is Mukisha Kututui. In ordinance with the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, reported title From the Great Lockdown to the Great Meltdown, Developing Country Debt in the Time of COVID-19. For high economic developing countries, it will rise between 2 trillion and $2.3 trillion, while for the middle and low income countries, it will amount between $666 billion and $1.6 trillion. The report has suggested that a global debt deal to reduce financial pressure on developing countries due to the coronavirus pandemic. Okay, next question. What is the amount for which RBI has opened special liquidity facility for mutual funds from April 27 to May 11, 2020? That is 50,000 crore. Under the special liquidity facility, mutual funds, RBI will conduct repo rate operations for 90 days in this tenure at the fixed repo rate. The timeline of the scheme is from April 27 to May 11, 2020. Under this facility, RBI will provide funds to banks at lower interest rates. Okay, if you talk about RBI, its headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Formation day is 1st April 1935. Governor is Shaktikanta Das. Moving to next question. Indian Overseas Bank IOB has launched a special borrowing program for self-help groups to help them amid COVID-19 crisis. Where is the headquarters of IOB located? IOB means Indian Overseas Bank. Its headquarters located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Its MDO and CEO is Karanam Shekhar and tagline is good people to grow with. Okay. IOB, a major public sector bank, has launched a special borrowing program for self-help groups to help them in difficult situations arising due to the coronavirus. Benefits under this scheme is a member of a self-help group will be given a maximum loan of 5,000 and limit for group is 1 lakh rupees. It will sanctioned with 9.4% interest for the year. Okay, next question. What is the revised growth rate of India for the financial year 21 as per estimation of India's rating and research? It is 1.9%. India Rating and Research Indra, the Indian subsidiary of a Fitch Group. This India Rating and Research is an Indian subsidiary of a Fitch Group, has revised India's GDP for the financial year 2021 as 1.9%. Previously, it was given as 3.6% estimated earlier, but due to this impact of coronavirus on the economy, it was given as 1.9%. If we talk about India Ratings and Research, headquarters located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and MDO and CEO is Rohit Karan Sahane. Okay, next question. Name the PSU which has called for Global Expressions of Interest EOI to provide 20 hydrogen fuel cells based electric buses and electric cars to operate them in Delhi and Leh. That is NTPC. NTPC Limited, formerly known as National Thermal Power Corporation, has called for a global expression of interest to buy 10 hydrogen fuel based electric buses and 10 hydrogen fuel cell based electric cars to operate them in Delhi and Leh. State Ministry of Road Transport and Highways is VK Singh. He is State Ministry of Road Transport and Highway. Okay, if you talk about an NTPC, that is National Thermal Power Corporation Limited. Its headquarters located in New Delhi. Chairman and MD is Gurpreet Singh. Okay, next question. Name the industry which has become the top exporting sector for the first time during the April and January period of financial year 19 and 20 with a contribution of 14.35% of total exports. That is chemical and petrochemical industry. Union Minister of Chemical and Petro and Fertilizers is Devaragunda Venkappa Sadananda Gowda. He is Union Minister of Chemical and Fertilizers. Okay, next question. RBI has extended term of appointment of Madhavan Menon as the part-time chairman of Catholic Syrian Bank CSB till July 21st, 2020. Where is the headquarters of this Catholic Syrian Bank is located? It is located in Thrissur, Kerala. This Catholic Syrian Bank, It is in a private sector bank announced that RBI has extended the term of appointment of Madhavan Menon as the part-time chairman of bank till July 21st, 2020. And the tagline of this bank is support all the way. CEO MD of this Catholic Syrian bank is Rajendran Chinnaveerappan. Okay, next question. What is the rank of India in military spending among the world with USD 7.1 billion dollars as per report of Stockholm International Peace Research Institute SIPRI? India's rank is third rank. It occupies third position. The first country which occupies is US with 732 American dollars, and second rank is China with 261 US dollars, and India occupies third rank with 7.1 billion US dollars. If you talk about Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, its headquarters located in Stockholm, Sweden, and chairman is John Eliasson. Okay, next question. Name the private bank sector which has acquired 6.43% stake in Reliance Capital for rupees 252 crores. That is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank means Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited has acquired a 6.40% stake in debt trapping Reliance Capital by invoking pledged shares. In this record, HDFC has acquired 25.27 crore shares of rupees 10 each. That is, the total value of these shares is rupees 252 crore. What is invocation? Invocation means the process of selling pledged shares and invoking pledged shares is called a invocation. Okay. If you talk about Reliance Capital, its parent organization is Reliance Group. Reliance Group and headquarters located in Santa Cruz, Mumbai, that is Maharashtra, and chairman is Anil Dhirubhai Ambani. If you talk about HDFC Bank, headquarters located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, chairman is Deepak Shantilal Parekh. Tagline is with you, right with you. Okay, next question. Multilateral Air Combat Military Exercise Pitch Black 2020 was cancelled. The Pitch Black is conducted by Royal Air Force of which country? It is Australia. The premier multilateral air combat training exercise Pitch Black 2020 scheduled was cancelled. Actually, it was scheduled between July 27 to August 14th, but it was cancelled due to the coronavirus impact. The next edition will be scheduled in 2022. Okay, if you talk about an Australia, its capital is Canberra and Prime Minister is Scott John Morrison and currency is Australian dollar. Okay, next question. Name the Indian institute which has developed dashboard named Prakriti to predict the spread of COVID-19 in India. That is IIT Delhi. The researchers of an Indian institute, that is IIT Delhi, developed a web-based mobile friendly dashboard named called this Prakriti to predict the spread of coronavirus in India and gives the state-wise and district-wise predictions. Okay, if you talk about IIT Delhi, its director is V. Ram Gopal Rao and deputy director is T.C. Kandpal and deputy director of strategy and planning is Ashok K. Ganguly. Next question. Find the research center which along the nanomechanics has developed NanoBuilds 3D, an advanced tool to map nanomechanical properties. That is International Advanced Research Center for Powder Metallurgy and New Material. If you talk about nanomechanics, its headquarters located in Oak Ridge of USA and director is Warren C. Oliver. If you talk about this center, this International Advanced Research Center of Powder Metallurgy and New Material, its chairperson is Anil Kakodkar and headquarters located in Hyderabad, Telangana. Okay, next question. The Indian Institution of Chemical Technology IICT under CSIR has partnered with Lakshay Life Sciences Private Limited to develop and manufacture APIs and drug intermediates to reduce dependency. Where is this CSIR IICT located? It is located in Hyderabad. It is located in Hyderabad. Indian Institute of Chemical Technology IICT. This is an laboratory under the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CIR has collaborated with Lakshay Life Science Private Limited. It is a pharmaceutical company and to develop and manufacture active pharmaceutical ingredients, that is APIs and drug intermediates, which helps to reduce dependency of Indian pharmaceutical sectors on Chinese imports for these ingredients. If you talk about Lakshay Life Insurance Private Limited, it is located in Hyderabad and CEO is Ram Upadhyaya. If you talk about CSIR IICT, headquarters located in Hyderabad and director is Srivari Chandrasekhar. Next question. Center for Nano and Soft Matter Sciences has developed Triboi mask that helps electric charges to resist the entry of infections without any external power. This Center for Nano and Soft Matter Sciences in which Indian city? It is located in Bangalore. Okay, a team of researchers at the Center for Nano and Soft Matter Sciences, that is CNSS, which was located in Bangalore, has come up with a face mask terminated as Triboi mask. This Triboi mask comprises as polypropylene layers on outside and a nylon layer in between. Okay, next question. Kerala based innovator Vasini Boy has developed 10 varieties of which flower by cross pollination recently. It is Anthurium. If we talk about this, this woman innovator D. Vasini Bai from Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, she developed 10 varieties of Anthurium by cross pollination. Because this Anthurium is one of the best domestic flower plants in the world. This Anthurium has some of the features. They are large, it will produce very large and beautiful flowers of different colors and it produces long stacks and also better shelf life and good market value. So she produced more 10 varieties of this flower by using a technique called cross pollination. Okay, next question. Pakistan Navy has successfully test fired a series of anti-ship missiles in the North Arabian Sea recently. What is the capital of Pakistan? Capital of Pakistan is Islamabad and currency is Pakistani rupee. Prime Minister is Imran Khan. President is Arif Alvi. Next question. Jumma Khatun, who was banned for 4 years recently. She belonged to which sports? She belonged to athletics running. She is a Indian middle distance runner. She was banned for 4 years because she used steroids. So she was banned for 4 years. Okay. Next question. Devanand Konawar, who passed away recently, is the former governor of which Indian state? He is former governor of Bihar and Tripura. Okay, next question. R.V. Bhuskote, who passed away recently, he is a freedom fighter. Okay, next question. Football Hall of Famer Willie Davis, who died recently, belongs to which country? He belongs to United States. Okay, next question. The World Intellectual Property Day was observed every year on April 26. What was the theme of the day for the year 2020? It is Innovate for a Green Future. Okay. This 26th April 2020 is annually observed as World Intellectual Property Day, established by World Intellectual Property Organization in the year 2020. This was created on that day because to create an awareness about the impacts of patents, copyright, trademarks and design, and also to educate about the roles of intellectual property. This year, the theme of this year is Innovate for a Green Future. Okay, next question. The International Chernobyl Disaster Remembrance Day is observed on April 26th every year. Chernobyl is located in which country? It is located in Ukraine. This day is observed on April 26th every year because reactor in the Chernobyl nuclear power plant near the city of Peprayat in the north of South Ukraine in 1986, which spread a radioactive cloud over the large parts of Union Federation. This year it marks 34th anniversary of Chernobyl disaster. Next question. Which among the following day is celebrated as annually on April 25th? That is the World Penguin Day. 25th April of every year is celebrated as World Penguin Day to create awareness about the threat to existence of these flightless birds. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. If you want PDF, you can go through my Telegram channel, that is at the Rage Competition Grid. I am giving the link in the description box. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.